हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को टीवी क्लास 8 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के चैप्टर 6 लिंकर्स का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, प्रीवियस चैप्टर के भी वीडियोस अपलोड है। यदि आपने वीडियो नहीं देखा तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा और ऊपर आई बटन पे भी मैं वीडियो दे दूंगी, तो इन वीडियोस को जरूर देख लीजिएगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Worksheet 1. Read the following extract from a science newspaper and take the correct option. What you hear is what you see. The phone rings and you listen to the voice on the other side. You can hear the voice of the speaker, but can you see what the speaker looks like? Well, maybe. So when you speak up, be careful because your voice may also convey information about your life. When scientists asked volunteers to listen to the recordings of people and rate the voices, they found that the voices rated highest belong to people having more active lives. Scientists feel that our voice instantly convey basic information about the gender and age, although it may not be true in all the cases. Voice of extrovert people conveyed much more information about them than the voices of people who were introvert. Next देखते हैं। Note, all the words given in bold are linkers. ये जितने भी वर्ड्स बोल्ड में दिए गए हैं ये सभी लिंकर्स हैं। Remember, linkers are words that connect two sentences or clauses. लिंकर्स जो है एक ऐसा वर्ड होता है जो दो सेंटेंसेस या क्लाउजेस को जोड़ता है। एग्जाम्पल, द फोन रिंग्स एंड यू लिसन टू द वॉइस ऑन द अदर साइड। द फोन रिंग्स ये सेंटेंस है, यू लिसन टू द वॉइस ऑन द अदर साइड ये भी जो है सेंटेंस है, एंड जो है ये लिंकर है। नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस, लर्न द आंसर्स एंड राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक। Mohit is slow, but he is a hard-working child. I was absent because I was ill. Note that linkers perform different functions. In sentence 1, the linker and joins two independent statements. In sentence 2, but joins two independent statements of contrasting ideas. In sentence 3, because joins the subordinate clause with the main clause. Remember, linkers are classified into two broad categories. Linkers को two category में classified किया गया है। First है coordinating और second है subordinating. Coordinating देख लीजिए, and, but, or, either, or, neither, nor. Not only but also etc. Subordinating, because, although, after, if, since, while, so that, as, etc. Worksheet 2. Given below is a checklist of likes and dislikes of Pooja and Vineet. Read it carefully and write about their likes and dislikes using the following linkers. Two examples have been done for you. देखिए लिंकर्स है neither, nor, both and but. Likes and dislikes बस हम लोगों को दिए गए हैं। Both Pooja and Vineet like reading magazines. Pooja likes watching TV but Vineet does not. Pooja likes shopping but Vineet does not. Both Pooja and Vineet like dining out. Neither Pooja nor Vineet like cooking. Pooja does not like cooking but Vineet likes it. Both Pooja and Vineet like attending parties. Pooja does not like traveling but Vineet likes it. Neither Pooja nor Vineet like playing cards. Remember, coordinating linkers are and, as well as, not only, but also, yet, still, but, neither, nor, either, or. कोऑर्डिनेटिंग लिंकर्स की एग्जांपल है एंड, एज वेल एज, नॉट ओनली, बट ऑल्सो, यट, स्टिल, बट, नाइदर, नॉर, आइदर, ऑल। ये जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग लिंकर्स होते हैं ये इंडिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस को 3 वेज में जोड़ते हैं। फर्स्ट है merely add one statement to another, एंड एक स्टेटमेंट को दूसरे स्टेटमेंट के साथ एंड के थ्रू जोड़ते हैं। एड टू स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइडियाज बट, दो स्टेटमेंट जो कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग आइडियाज देते हैं उन्हें बट के थ्रू जोड़ते हैं। एंड टू स्टेटमेंट्स एक्सप्रेसिंग चॉइस, ऐसे स्टेटमेंट जो चॉइस को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उन्हें और के साथ जोड़ते हैं। अब हम लोग देखते हैं वर्कशीट 3। रीड द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस। यू विल गेट ए ट्रॉफी इफ यू विन। डू नॉट कम आउट ऑफ द क्लासरूम बिफोर द बेल रिंग्स। I have to go because my mother is waiting for me. Note: the above sentences contain two clauses, one main clause and one subordinate clause. देख ऊपर में ये जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं ये टू क्लाउज को कंटेन करते हैं। पहला होता है मेन क्लाउज और दूसरा होता है सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज। देखिए यू विल गेट ए ट्रॉफी ये होगा मेन क्लाउज, यू विल ये है सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज। अब हम लोग आगे देखते हैं। Remember, the linkers that join the main and the subordinate clause are called subordinating linkers. ऐसे linkers जो main clause और subordinate clause को जोड़ते हैं subordinating linkers कहलाते हैं। You will get a trophy if you win. You will get a trophy ये हो गया main clause, you win ये हो गया subordinate clause, if जो है ये है subordinating linker क्योंकि ये main clause और subordinate clause दोनों को जोड़ रहे हैं और ये जो जोड़ रहे हैं वो लिंकर है सबऑर्डिनेटिंग लिंकर। सबऑर्डिनेटिंग लिंकर्स कैन बी क्लासिफाइड इनटू 9 पार्ट्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर यूजेस। सबऑर्डिनेट क्लाउज लिंकर्स को जो है 9 पार्ट्स में क्लासिफाई किया गया है। फर्स्ट है टाइम, प्लेस, काउज, रीजन, कंपैरिजन, पर्पस, रिजल्ट, कंडीशन, मैनर, कंसेशन। अब हम लोग देखते हैं वर्कशीट 4। Join the following sentences using the linker specified in the box against each sentence. One has been done for you. The rain was over. The sun shone brightly. Linker of time. The sun shone brightly after the rain was over. The teacher was not in the staff room. I came back. Linker of reason. I came back because the teacher was not in the staff room. Manan will visit their house. He wants to discuss his problem with them. Linker of purpose. Manan wants to discuss his problem with them, so he will visit their house. He did not fare well in the examination. He was given the job. Linker of concession. Although he did not fare well in the examination, he was given the job. Complete your classwork. You cannot leave for your home. Linker of time. You cannot leave for your home till you complete your classwork. Rajat is quick in solving maths questions. Tarun is quicker. Linker of comparison. Tarun is quicker whereas Rajat is quick in solving maths question. Ajay is a strict vegetarian. He will have serious problems in China. Linker of condition. Ajay will have serious problems in China because he is a strict vegetarian. Attempt the first question, move on to the second. Linker of time. Move on to the second after attempt the first question. He started late. He finished first. Linker of concession. He finished first although he started late. Worksheet 5. Given below are some measures suggested for the development of rural areas. Filling the blanks with suitable linkers to understand their full meaning and significance. Says illiteracy is the root cause of people's ignorance of their rights. We should lay more stress on making them literate. Although most of the rural areas do have electricity, but very few of them have enough electrical equipments to utilize it. More TV sets and computers should be installed in the panchayat halls for better general awareness. Next देखते हैं। Almost every village has enough water, but potable water is rare. The government should take effective steps so that pure drinking water is available to every village. Worksheet 6. In the unit Changing Times of My English Reader, you have read about the difference in attitude, hobbies, lifestyle and tastes of the older generation and the youngsters. Taking clues from the unit, write an article on the topic Now and Then, the inevitable generation gap. Do not forget to use coordinating linkers and subordinating linkers. Time, reason, comparison, result. We can find the generation gap since the man was born. It increased day by day. It is not today. It arises because of changing attitudes of people, especially youngsters. Parents do not like the fashion that the teenagers are following. They wear jeans, short tops and keep long hair. Boys are keeping long hair more than the girls. Even their parents scold them. They never agree on anything. They are lacking in studies and partying whole nights. In order to enjoy, they use wrong things like drugs, which their parents dislike. The occupation which were once thought not too creative are adopted today. However, as parents want their children to be doctors, engineers, etc. But they do not understand the competition. Next देखते हैं Worksheet 7. In each of the sentences given below, some word is are missing. Put a slash where the word is are missing. Find appropriate words from the box below and write them in the blank. देखिए नीचे जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं उसमें से कुछ वर्ड्स जो है मिस है। हम लोगों को जहाँ वर्ड मिस है वहाँ पे स्लैश लगा के वर्ड्स को लिखना है। देख लीजिए द सर्कुलर वाज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट द स्टूडेंट्स माइट नो द वैकेशन शेड्यूल। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड के बाद हो जाएगा सो। डू नॉट लाई इवन इफ द वर्ल्ड इज अगेंस्ट यू। ही सेव्ड ए रूपी डेली सो दैट ही कुड हैव समथिंग इन टाइम ऑफ नीड। Smriti stood as if she were a statue. The students stood up as soon as the teacher arrived in the class. The president as well as the prime minister was present in the function. You will get this job on condition that you shall work 7 days a week. There is no harm in apologizing to the elders even if you are not at fault. Note, all the words in the box were joined with the expression in the sentences from compound linkers. The passage given below has not been edited. Some words are missing. Put a slash where you think a word is missing and write it in the space provided. We know that mammals took over as dinosaurs died out, but have you ever wondered why this happened? Well, one reason is that mammals are warm-blooded creatures, which means that their bodies have a constant temperature. This is important because it means that mammals are ready for action at all times, in all weathers. But cold-blooded animals needed to soak heat from the sun so that they could move about. The paragraph given below has not been edited. Some words have been used wrongly. Read the passage, underline the wrong words and write the correct words in the space provided. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स रॉन्ग वर्ड्स जो है ये अंडरलाइन है और करेक्ट वर्ड जो है यहाँ पे है, इसे मैं रीड नहीं कर रही, देख लीजिए। स्टूडेंट्स इसके साथ हम लोगों का ये वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशन वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। अपने दोस्तों के साथ और क्लासमेट्स के बीच वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।